Hey everyone. So I picked up, or I've been collecting a bunch of electronic stuff here. Some printers, some DirecTV receivers and whatnot, miscellaneous cables, keyboards, other little boards, motherboards and whatnot. And what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna tear everything down and show you how much all of this stuff is worth, and show you that most of the time it is worth it to scrap. So I'm gonna start taking all of this stuff apart shortly, and at the end I'm gonna weigh each little pile and come up with a total and see how much money I'll make out of this stuff that I pretty much got for free. Hey everyone, as I was doing my previous video of taking apart a bunch of stuff I'd picked up and accumulated over about a month and a half, I started taking apart this TV sound system receiver, and when I opened it up, it looked quite impressive scrap wise, and I just wanted to show you guys what's in one of these. Like you can see, there's quite a bit of copper. There's a nice big chunk of aluminum that looks to be maybe at least a pound or two. Looks to be a bunch of boards, some wires, another nice piece of copper here, and I'm sure there's plenty of copper in here. This looks to be at least a few pounds right here. I'm gonna open it up eventually and see what's in this bad boy. And like I said, plenty of green boards and whatnot. I haven't noticed too much gold, but I'm sure there must be a little bit of gold, not too much, but quite a bit of copper, copper bearing motors, aluminum and whatnot. So if you guys ever get one of these receivers, you should be able to make a few bucks. Obviously, if it's a non-working receiver. If it's working, obviously you should sell it complete, unless it's like extremely old and there's like no HDMI ports or anything like that. I don't think it's worth too much selling one of those. Obviously, if it's working, it has HDMI ports and whatnot, you should definitely sell that. You should be able to get quite a few bucks, at least 50, maybe $100 for one of those fully working. But if not, you're looking pretty good for scrap. Like I said, there's this big chunk of aluminum here, some nice thick wiring. Like I said, a couple of copper bearing motors. Look, this guy here, this little transformer here, I'm sure if you open it up you'll get quite a bit of copper. It's just loose copper like this. Very interesting. I've never opened one of these, and I just wanted to share. So hope you guys find this interesting, and if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Talk to you soon.